Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. I'm really sorry for the sticker here. I tried to peel it off, but it is not working out. So this is a BMW i4 and this is by Takara Tomica. So this is their main line. It's not the premium one. So let's unbox and see how it looks. So here it is. Let's open it. So here it is. So the initial impressions are this is a little bit heavy, a tiny bit, not much. So both the headlights and taillights are painted. I wish they had some kind of fiber here. The logo detailing and everything is pretty neat. The grills are actually, like it's made of metal and painted on top of it. It's not just, printed. And this is 1/65 scale. So the windows are tinted. I don't think you guys can able to see the interior, but let me try. Okay, let's see if this one has suspension. Yes, this one does have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll well at all. It doesn't roll at all. That's it. The wheels wobble a lot. Both wheels wobble a lot. So personally I don't mind because I'm not going to play with this one and I'm just going to keep it as a showpiece. So it's up to you guys and how you are going to use this one. If you are going to give it to your kids or if you are going to play with by yourself, then I don't think this is a good choice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.